Jerusalem is woken up to the sound of a Musaharaty. His drumbeat breaks the night silence during the Muslim holy month of Ramadan. He walks through the city acting as a human alarm clock ahead of the sohor, a small meal eaten before day breaks and fasting begins. Nidal Hijazi has taken on the role of the Musaharaty in Jerusalem's Old City. He stops at almost every house in the neighbourhood to call out the residents' names. It's a tradition dating back centuries. In the past, he says, we heard there were many Musaharaty, but then this figure disappeared for a number of years. So we wanted to revive this old Palestinian tradition in Jerusalem, particularly in the Old City. In some parts of the Arab world, the Musaharaty has been replaced by modern-day alarm clocks. But in Jerusalem, Nidal Hijazi wishes to uphold the ancient tradition for as long as possible.